Hi, I'm excited to share our latest addition to the Qspeed product family. These are our 650-volt high-performance silicon diode with efficiency and voltage derating performance comparable to that of silicon carbide diodes. The current rating has been increased to 20 and 30 amps to be able to address the increasing power requirements of AI computer servers, telecoms, networking, industrial power supplies, and battery charger applications. The advantage of the low reverse recovery charge of the Qspeed diode can be explained using the CCM Boost PFC circuit. The Qspeed diode significantly reduces the reverse recovery current that flows to the PFC MOSFET when it is turned on, reducing power losses, of which is proportional to the switching frequency. This results in the lower temperature of the PFC MOSFET and the high efficiency performance of the power factor correction circuit. It has a comparable reverse recovery charge to that of a silicon carbide diode, and it is 6 times lower compared to the silicon fast recovery diode. With a 650-volt breakdown voltage rating, it provides the voltage derating capability similar to that of a 650-volt silicon carbide diode. For more information on the 650-volt Qspeed diodes, please visit power.com.